In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WordPress and GoHighLevel tutorial. Before we dive in, make sure you're signed in to your GoHighLevel account and you're inside the correct sub-account where you want WordPress enabled. You'll also want billing permissions on the account since this feature requires a small monthly add-on. From your locations dashboard, look to the main navigation and open the Sites area. This is where GoHighLevel centralizes everything related to pages, funnels, blogs, and, in this case, WordPress. Once you're in Sites, select the WordPress option. This section is dedicated to spinning up a managed WordPress instance that's directly connected to your sub-account, so your site, funnels, forms, and automations can live under one roof. Next, click Activate WordPress. Think of this as telling GoHighLevel to provision a new, secure WordPress environment for you. The platform handles the hosting, SSL, and basic security hardening behind the scenes, so you don't have to mess with separate servers or complicated installs. If you're used to setting up WordPress manually, this step replaces all of that with a managed setup. You'll now see the prompt to pay and subscribe. Click Pay, $10, and subscribe to turn on the WordPress add-on. This is a monthly charge tied to your sub-account, and it enables the managed WordPress instance. If the payment button is grayed out or you get a billing error, double-check that a valid card is on file and that your user has permission to manage subscriptions. After you confirm the subscription, GoHighLevel will begin provisioning your WordPress site. Give it a minute or two. You'll typically see a status indicator move from pending to active. Once active, you'll have access right from the same WordPress tab, usually via a one-click Open WordPress button or a link to your WordPress admin. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page and check again. At this point, your WordPress is officially connected to GoHighLevel. That connection means you can easily bring over your forms and calendars, track leads, and keep automations in sync without juggling multiple tools. As a best practice, plan your domain setup and theme choices ahead of time so you can move quickly once the site is live. If you don't see the WordPress option in Sites, reach out to your account admin or GoHighLevel support to ensure it's enabled for your plan and location. That's it. Dashboard, Sites, WordPress, activate, then pay $10 and subscribe. Your managed WordPress is now ready to go inside GoHighLevel, and you're set to build with everything under one platform.